never heard from him again. So in 2008, so the web tape was first, do you remember the web tape was the first time the name was actually created, don't you know? I believe so. So it's impossible that the creator of such a impactful project remains anonymous. But that's bullshit. There's no similarity to it in history of technology as far as I'm aware.
Yeah. So one possibility is that it's Hal Finney, because Hal Finney was also active in the Bitcoin community as Hal Finney in the two beginning years, and how he's one of the people in the early cypherpunk community. He was
He's a computer scientist.
computer scientists, cryptographers, people interested in technology, internet freedom, like those kinds of topics.
Was it correct that he seemed to have been involved in the earliest or the first transaction of Bitcoin?
Yes. The first transaction of Bitcoin was between Satoshi.
Do you think he knew what Satoshi was?
If he wasn't Satoshi, he probably didn't.
How is it possible to work so closely with people and nevertheless not know anything about their fundamental identity? Is this a natural sort of characteristic of the internet? Like if we were to think about it, because you and I just met now, there's a dip of knowledge that we not have about each other. Like my vision system is able to recognize you. I can also verify your identity of uniqueness. It's going to fake you being you.
Yeah.
So the internet has a fundamentally different quality to it, which is just fascinating.
Yeah, but also definitely interesting is I definitely just know a lot of people just by their internet handles, and to me when I think